Did I startle you? Oh, I startled Coco. Kiyo, I noticed you haven't go poopy yet. You better not poopy on my hair. Did you? Did you poop before you left the cage? Good job. Good job. Coco, what you doing? What you doing, Coco? Where you going? There you are. Are you about to pooey? Or are you trying to steal the spotlight? You trying to steal the spotlight? Oh, you see you still in the spotlight. You think you're so handsome? Do you know you're so handsome? Oh, you know you're so handsome. Are you humble? Not really? No, not very humble. Are you pretty? You puffed up at that. Are you pretty? Yeah. Are you so cute? Oh, you really liked the so cute one. Are you gonna go poopy? You go poopy? What you doing up there, Mr. Kiyo? Hi. Hi. Hey, that's my glasses. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my goodness, stop it. Ah! There's my glasses. That was nice. There's my glasses. What you doing? There's my glasses. Bye. There's my glasses. Yeah. You got a pooey?